In this video, I want to show you how you can get the verified emails of your leads when you extract your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And for that, we need to go on my computer. All right, so we are currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I've made a lead search. So I've used 3 filters. The first one is company headcount. It's between 500 to 1,000 people. Then current job title, very basic, head of sales. And I want people who are based in New York. And at the end, we have 122 results. So if you want to export these leads into a clean leads file with all the data you need, like first name, last name, company name, job title, and so on, and of course, the verified emails for these people, you need a tool because you can't export your leads and get the verified emails of people with LinkedIn. So with a tool like GiveMeLeads, you can easily export your leads and at the end get a leads file. So if you want to do that, you can go on GiveMeLeads.io or you can just click in the first link in the description. You click on get 10 leads for free. You create a GiveMeLeads account, you install the Chrome extension, and then you will get a button like this one, extract leads. And all you need to do then, if you want to export your leads from search, is to click on extract leads. Then you will be on this screen. You click on continue. Then you click on Save Changes, and now your target has been defined. And now if you want to export your leads, you just need to click on New Leads Export. You give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say we want 100 leads, and you click on Export Leads. And here, as you can see, my export is currently running. So now for me, it's time to take a coffee and I will be back in a few minutes. All right, so after 7 minutes, the export is completed. So why it takes some time? It's because we are very cautious with the safety of your LinkedIn account. So it takes a little bit of time, but at least we make sure that your LinkedIn account is safe. So just before we download the leads file, let's rename it. So let's write head of sales, 5,000 to 1,000 people, and it was based in New York. Then press enter. Perfect, and now it's time to download the CSV file. All right, so here is the file. So we have 100 people and we have a lot of data such as the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, LinkedIn ID. You have the email of the leads and you have the email status. So when it's verified, it means that it's safe to send them an email. When it's probable, it's not really safe. And when it's not found, basically, we couldn't find it. So actually we have a lot of emails, so which is great. We have the job title, location, so it was New York, profile picture URL, we have connection degrees, premium, we have the summary, we have company location, company website, company employee count, and so on. So from a search from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, as you can see, you have this column here, email, and then you can reach out to these people. With GiveMeLeads, we do 2 things. First, we make sure that the data is clean. So for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any rocket emojis in the first name. You don't have any problems with capital letters. And so that you don't need to waste your time to clean the data and then upload your list in your CRM or your best outreach tool. And the second thing we do is to make sure that the lead matches your filters. So for example, here we have all the valid leads, but here we have, for example, 2 people that are invalid. And why? Because basically their job title is not valid. So here we have Michael and George, and Michael is head of fixed income sales and George is head of global accounts. And so basically it's not head of sales. So with this layer of verification, we make sure that you only reach out to people who perfectly match your filters. And of course, you don't waste your time doing some manual verification because it's already done with GiveMeLeads. So now with this list, you can easily upload it in your CRM or an outreach tool. So if you want to try GiveMeLeads, you can click in the first link in the description. And now I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. And now it's time for me to wish you a nice day and a happy prospecting. Bye bye.